Israel and Hamas announced a ceasefire Thursday, ending a bruising 11-day war that caused widespread destruction in Gaza Strip and brought life in much of Israel to a standstill. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office said Israel accepted the Egyptian proposal after a late-night meeting with his security cabinet. Hamas quickly followed suit and said it would honor the deal. But the violence that began in East Jerusalem in April had expanded to military attacks from both Israel and Palestine. Large-scale injuries and fatalities were reported. Israel and Palestine has a long history of violence. Let's have a look at the chronology. Seventh century. Throughout history, Palestine has been ruled by numerous groups, including Assyrians, Babylonians, Persians, Greeks, Romans, Arabs, Fatimids, Seljuk Turks, Crusaders, Egyptians, and Mamluks. From about 1517 to 1917, the Ottoman Empire ruled much of the region and took control of Jerusalem. Flight of Jewish people continued for centuries. Europe, particularly in and around Germany, got biggest population of Jews. Moving on to 19th century, when World War I ended in 1918, with the defeat of Germany in the war, saw the rise of Adolf Hitler, who blamed the Jew for country's defeat. He expanded Germany and Jews were persecuted in areas he controlled. The British took control of Palestine. The League of Nations issued a British mandate for Palestine, a document that gave Britain administrative rule over the region and including provisions for establishing a Jewish national homeland in Palestine. These areas include Israel, West Bank, and Gaza. Jewish immigration to Palestine gained pace. Jewish leaders accepted the plan, but many Palestinian Arabs, some of whom had been actively fighting British and Jewish interests in the region since 1920s, vehemently opposed it. Moving on to post-World War II, with the support from US and UK, Jews create State of Israel in 1948. The declaration came after Jews failed to sign a deal with Arabs for carving out separate state from Palestine. After this, Britain withdrew from Palestine and Israel declared itself an independent state, implying a willingness to implement the partition law. Almost immediately, neighboring Arab armies moved in to prevent the establishment of Israeli state. The 1948 Arab-Israel war that involved Israel and 5 Arab nations: Jordan, Iraq, Syria, Egypt, and Lebanon. The 1948 conflict opened a new chapter in the struggle between Jews and Palestinian Arabs, which now became a regional contest involving nation-states and tangle of diplomatic, political, and economic interests. By the war's end in July 1949, Israel controlled more than two-thirds of the former British mandate, while Jordan took control of the West Bank, Egypt, and Gaza Strip. Moving on to 1956, Second Israel-Arab War began after Egypt announced nationalization of Suez Canal, an important trade route. Israel invaded Egypt, got support from Britain and France. The US and erstwhile USSR brokered a deal to end the war. Then, in 1964, Palestinians organized themselves under the Palestinian Liberation Organization, that is PLO, for struggle against Israel. 1967, Six-Day War took place in which Israel defeated Egypt, Jordan, and Syria. Israel took control of the Gaza Strip, the West Bank, Sinai Peninsula, the Golden Heights, and East Jerusalem, the area from where latest series of violence began. More than 2.5 lakh Palestinians were displaced. Then further to 1973, Arab nations formed a coalition to attack Israel. It suffered losses but recovered after receiving supplies from the US. The war led to massive oil crisis. Further towards 1978, the US brokered a peace deal between Israel and Egypt. Settling the question of Palestine was part of the deal, what came to be known as Camp David Accord. It was never implemented. Moving on to 1987, first Palestinian Intifada was launched. Intifada means uprising or rebellion. Protests and clashes continued for years in Gaza, the West Bank, and inside Israel. Many people died and scores injured during the rebellion. Moving on to 1991, Israel begins peace talks with Palestinian leaders, Syria, Lebanon, and Jordan in Spain Madrid Conference. 1993, first major breakthrough was achieved. Israel and PLO signed what is called Oslo Peace Accord. It was backed by United Nations. Moving on to 1994, a follow-up deal was signed called Cairo Agreement between Israel and PLO. The agreements created the Palestinian Authority, which was given the charge of administrative affairs in the West Bank and Gaza. Question of Israeli settlements in the West Bank and status of Jerusalem remained unresolved. Both Israel and Palestine view Jerusalem as the future capital. Moving on to 1995, Israel's Prime Minister Yitzhak Rabin was assassinated, Palestine Authority was blamed. Then, year 2000, Second Palestinian Intifada was launched. Clashes erupted after Israeli hardliner Ariel Sharon visited the compound that houses both the Temple Mount and Al-Aqsa, the site of current violence. Moving on to 2002, Palestinian militant group Hamas launched first major suicide attack, killing at least 30 Israelis. Israel later conducted an operation to took control of much of West Bank. Towards 2006, Hamas won the election in Gaza, emerging as a political challenger to Fatah party that was moderate and had won in the West Bank. Further towards 2008, Palestinian militants fired rockets into Israel, which responded by pummeling missiles into Palestinian territory. More than 1,100 Palestinians lost their life. 13 Israeli soldiers were also killed. Then, 2012, another round of rocket fire between Israel and Palestine. Israel killed Hamas military chief in the attack. Finally, towards 2014, a 7-week fight ensued after Hamas allegedly kidnapped 3 Israeli girls from Jewish settlement in West Bank and killed them. More than 2,000 Palestinians lost their life. Israeli reported 73 deaths, including civilian casualties. 2015, seeking re-election, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu declared that there would be no two-state solution to Israel-Palestine question. 2017, the Donald Trump administration of US recognized Jerusalem as the capital of Israel and announced shifting of its embassy from Tel Aviv to the city. This decision saw fresh protests and clashes in the West Bank and Gaza. 2018, clashes continued for several months between Palestinian protesters and Israeli security forces. Rocks, bombs, and rockets were exchanged. Many died. Coming to 2021, Israeli barricades Damascus Gate Plaza in East Jerusalem on April 12. It is a popular gathering place for Palestinians during Ramzan. Protests broke out. On April 16, Israel limits the number of people who can pray at Al-Aqsa, considered the third holiest mosque in Islam, in East Jerusalem to 10,000 people. Clashes erupt and spread to Gaza and West Bank. Finally, to the present day, a ceasefire between Israel and Palestinian militant group Hamas in Gaza Strip appeared to be holding hours after coming into effect. Both Israel and Hamas claimed victory. Fresh clashes broke out at the Al-Aqsa Mosque compound in occupied East Jerusalem on Friday, testing the truce. If you enjoyed the video, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. I'll be back again with a fresh new chapter.